The cast of Oppenheimer made a powerful statement by walking out of the UK premiere just before the SAG strike. The highly anticipated war-era drama Oppenheimer, directed by Christopher Nolan, has garnered attention for the united stance taken by its cast in support of the SAG-AFTRA strike. During the UK premiere of the film on Thursday, which took place before the strike was officially announced, the stars of Oppenheimer appeared on the red carpet but later walked out of the event to create their picket signs, as shared by Nolan. Before the screening began at the Odeon Lux Leicester Square Theatre, Nolan addressed the audience and recognized the contributions of notable cast members such as Cillian Murphy, Emily Blunt, Matt Damon, Florence Pugh, and Robert Downey Jr. Nolan stated, "We have to acknowledge that you've seen them here earlier on the red carpet. Unfortunately, they're off to write their picket signs for what we believe to be an imminent strike by SAG." He further expressed his support for the actors who left the Oppenheimer premiere to stand with the union, stating that they joined his own guild, the Writers Guild, in the fight for fair wages for working union members. The Writers Guild of America, WGA, has been on strike since May. On the red carpet of Oppenheimer, prior to the cast's departure and the strike's official commencement, Emily Blunt shared her hope for a fair deal and emphasized the unity of the cast in leaving together if the strike were called. She added, "Right now, it's the joy to be together." The Screen Actors Guild American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, SAG-AFTRA, President Fran Drescher, announced the strike during a passionate speech at a press conference in Los Angeles on Thursday. The strike was set to begin at midnight PT that night. Oppenheimer is scheduled to premiere in theaters on July 21st. Thank you for watching our video. Please do comment, like and subscribe for more such interesting content.